The end of the world, a chilling thought. It has haunted humanity for millennia. But what if it happened? What if our world, as we know it, ceased to be? It's not a question of if, but when. The Earth is a dynamic, ever-changing planet. What threatens us? How do we prepare? The answers may surprise you. Survival hinges on understanding the threats and adapting to them. We must be prepared, not with fear, but with knowledge. This is not about giving in to despair. It's about facing the unknown with courage and ingenuity. The universe is a vast and unforgiving place. Asteroids, remnants of the early solar system, hurtle through space. A collision with Earth, while rare, is not impossible. The consequences would be catastrophic. Dust and debris would block the sun, plunging the planet into darkness. Impact winters lasting for decades would follow. Temperatures would plummet, crops would fail, and ecosystems would collapse. But even in the face of such devastation, hope remains. Scientists are actively tracking potentially hazardous asteroids. Early detection is key. With enough time, we could potentially deflect an incoming threat, safeguarding our planet. Deep within the Earth lies a fiery heart. Volcanoes, vents in the planet's crust, can erupt with terrifying force. Supervolcanoes, capable of eruptions thousands of times larger than anything in recorded history, pose an even greater threat. A supervolcanic eruption would release millions of tons of ash and sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere. Global temperatures would plummet, triggering a volcanic winter. Acid rain would poison water supplies and devastate agriculture. The scale of the disaster is difficult to comprehend. However, supervolcanic eruptions are extremely rare, occurring on timescales of tens of thousands of years. Monitoring volcanic activity and understanding the warning signs are crucial for mitigating the risks. Section 4. A world sick. Pandemics, invisible enemies that can sweep across the globe, are a constant threat. Viruses, bacteria, and other pathogens can mutate rapidly, outpacing our ability to develop effective treatments. A highly contagious and deadly pandemic could overwhelm healthcare systems and cripple global economies. Quarantines, social distancing, and the development of vaccines are essential for containing outbreaks. However, the best defense against pandemics is prevention. Improving public health infrastructure, promoting hygiene, and investing in early warning systems are crucial for mitigating the risks. Section 5. The seeds of destruction. While natural disasters pose a significant threat, we cannot ignore the role of human actions in our own potential demise. Climate change, driven by our reliance on fossil fuels, is altering the planet's climate at an alarming rate. Rising sea levels threaten coastal communities. Extreme weather events, such as hurricanes, droughts, and wildfires, are becoming more frequent and intense. The consequences of inaction are dire. We must transition to renewable energy sources, reduce our carbon footprint, and adopt sustainable practices. Failure to address climate change could render our planet uninhabitable.